We are God's people, and the basic category of God's people is covenant. I will be your God, you will be my people. In this relationship, ano yung basic indicator of what is right and what is good between the covenant, in the covenant between God and His people? Fidelity. The basic category, therefore, that we will have to focus ourselves on, that will become the value by which we will measure ourselves, whether we have been good or not so good, is the measure of our fidelity. Fidelity to our God. If fidelity is the goal, now, you might say, God is the goal, not fidelity. No. Because if God is your goal, it means that at the moment, God is still there, and I am here, and I'm moving towards God. That is not how God envisions our relationship to Him. Right here and now, God is here, and we are with Him. And that's why the category is fidelity. Paano ba tayo nagiging tapat sa Diyos na andito na ngayon? Sapagkat andito rin ako, nakiisa sa Diyos. God is not something there at the end of our lives. God is here and now. And every moment of my life is a moment of fidelity. His fidelity to me and my fidelity to Him. Ang simbahan, gumagawa ng simbahan, gumagawa ng cathedral, gumagawa rin tayo ng mga kumbento, ng mga pastoral centers. But that is because we see it, we need to have a place where we can gather and where we can encounter God. Why? Because the church, what is our identity? We are people of God.